What is up, guys? Welcome back, and today is the day that we finally get this carbon steering wheel mounted and put on the car. I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting for this for like 2 months to come in, and you saw that we did the reveal or the unboxing with my son the other day, but it's finally time to get this thing on and to get rid of this Alcantara, this worn down Alcantara steering wheel, and put on that nice carbon fiber perforated leather wheel. Headed to my friend's house. We decided to do this as a two-man job. That way I could help hold the camera while he disassembles the steering wheel, and we'll make sure that we disconnect the airbag so we don't blow up. I mean, that would be a pretty good video, right? But and then, boys, we got a fucking tunnel. You know what we do when we have tunnels? We gotta roll down these windows. At least one window. Back up because it is hot. It is 104 degrees. So we're headed right now to his house, and we'll get this install video done and show you the final product of the carbon